Good morning, everybody. Today, since we're studying about World War II in social studies, and we are doing, reading a lot of the Boy in the Striped Pajamas and so forth, you guys at this point in time should be up to and including chapter 10. I found an article for our oral reading this week that is on origami. And this is the Japanese part of things, and the little girl's name is Sadako. And so as you're reading about origami, what it is, there is a book that you'll read next year called Sadako and the Thousand Paper Cranes.
Okay, so just let it go.
So this is a carryover from this year into next year. Go ahead and please read and annotate each particular paragraph. So remember, as you're annotating, you can take your highlighter and go through, like, for example, some important information. Definitely I would not put when Eleanor Core was born, because that is not that important. But origami, as it being an art, is very important. Also, that it is a Japanese tradition, and it is origami is actually paper
large diet vanilla Cokes, please.
If I were to do the first paragraph, to annotate the first paragraph, those would be the actual things I would do. Also, in Japan, they say that anyone who makes 1,000 paper cranes through origami is granted a wish. I'm not kidding you guys. This is like such a cool story that you'll get to read next year, but this does tie in with what we're doing. It also eventually will talk about, as you read on down, more information about Sadako. So read and annotate carefully, and then when you turn the page, the next page, and you see the oral reading quiz.
All right, thank you so much, Jenny.
Thanks, Jen.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Okay, now here's the quiz, and as you're taking the quiz, the information is there. I guess it did ask when Elena Core was born. It's kind of a lower level question, but that's okay, it's recall. When you see the basic questions, what is origami? Number 1, number 5, number 7, and number 8. I would like constructed responses. Oops, number 4 also. So 1, 4, 5, 7, and 8, I need a constructed response that you will need to do on your own sheet of paper. This right here does not give you enough space to write that. So restate, answer, cite. Remember, citing is word for word, and explain using the word clearly, or this means. It's time to really push yourself during this time. So for Wednesday's e-learning, this is what you'll be doing. And I'd like you guys just to go ahead and you may take the quiz and then take a picture of your constructed responses, your race responses, and take a picture of this quiz. Send it to me. I will grade it and have it in the grade book by Thursday afternoon. So that way you guys are going to get still graded on like you normally would. All right, this is Wednesday's e-learning. I miss you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.